A routine shoplifting call. 2 people, a few minutes of questions, that's all this looked like, until one of them started explaining exactly how well he understood the store's camera system.
Okay, so remember when I said they have amazing cameras? Okay, you're on camera leaving. With the bag, okay? Is that the bag in the passenger seat? You're on video doing it, okay? I wasn't messing with you when I said they have the best cameras, okay?
That's why I told you I have passenger.
On the 25th of July, 2025, in Aurora, Illinois, officers respond to a shoplifting report at a retail store. During questioning, one suspect tells the officer he watches Criminal Minds, moments after denying on camera that he took anything.
Hi, can you step out? Hey, my man, I saw you. Can you come back here? Yeah, come back here. Hi. You know why we might be here?
No.
Okay. You're on camera taking stuff, okay?
I didn't grab that.
That's fine. I didn't say anything's going on right now. Can you go talk to my partner over here for 1 second? Over here. What's up, man? You good? Can you step out?
Were you just in Kohl's, man?
Yeah, I was.
Be straight up with me.
I'm not gonna lie.
What happened?
I didn't take nothing. I didn't want to call nothing.
Okay.
So I was just with my friend.
Who's your friend?
Her.
Alright.
I didn't take nothing though. I didn't want to call nothing.
Alright, you got ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know why we might be trying to talk to you?
No.
Okay. Please don't try to play dumb
But
and call for everything, okay? Do you know why we might be gonna call then?
no.
Okay. Were you trying to take stuff from Kohl's?
No.
Okay.
I didn't have a wallet, that's why. So I only had cash and I only had $6.
So what do you mean by that? I just put gloves on when I talk to people. Don't worry about what I'm doing right now, okay? So what do you mean you only had $6?
So I was gonna buy me something, but I didn't have no money.
So did you put it back?
Yeah.
Okay. Where would it be in the store?
By the charging stuff.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license on you? If not, I'll just take your name down, okay?
You got anything illegal in the car?
No, not that I know.
Do you have a license or no?
Yeah, I have a license.
You got nothing illegal in the car?
No.
No?
No.
Alright. Who else is in the car? Who's that?
Oh, that's my cousin.
Alright. You guys staying out in Aurora now or what?
No, we stay in Chicago.
What are you guys doing here?
Just driving, taking a ride. My mom needed a car part, so I just came out here for a car part.
Where at?
Like, huh?
Where?
I'm not sure if you have the address. But my friend was like, if I could stop at Kohl's for her, so we stopped. And she asked if I could come in. And I just went in and I was walking around looking at things.
What are you doing in Aurora? Ma'am, what are you doing in Aurora?
I was coming here to go to the mall.
Okay, what's your zip code?
60459.
So you're not gonna be on camera taking anything?
No. I didn't walk out with nothing. I didn't steal nothing.
Right. I mean, you didn't. Yeah. Okay. I'm just trying to be transparent with you because I already know what happened. So I'm trying to have you just be honest with me.
Yeah, I didn't steal nothing. I didn't walk out with nothing. I didn't take nothing.
So you're saying you don't have anything on you? You guys didn't take anything out? Okay.
You putting stuff in anything?
No.
No, you didn't grab anything off the counters or any clothes or anything?
I grabbed maybe like 2 things.
Sorry about that. I have a name, please.
She took, you think?
Not that I'm aware of. It's because like we're kind of separate, so I don't know.
So you guys walked in together, then decided to walk out separate?
No. We like she had walked in first. You could see like I had pee right there. I had to use the bathroom,
Okay.
and then I walked in after. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so where would the merchandise be?
It's in the store. It's all the way by the clothes and stuff. I didn't steal anything.
Okay. Okay, so there's nothing in the car?
No.
Whose car is this?
It's my mom's.
Your mom's car? Okay. Why was he driving? Or why'd you get in the back?
Me?
Yeah.
Because I can't drive. Well, I can, but I got a ticket recently, so.
Are you suspended?
No.
Okay.
I have a permit, so it has to be somebody.
How old are you?
19.
Okay.
My permit doesn't renew until like 08.
Who is the dude in the car to you?
That's my friend.
Okay, who is he?
That's my friend.
Okay. Oh, wait, are you good for a minute?
Yeah.
Okay. Stay right here, okay? Don't go back in the car.
Sure. Hey, what'd you take from inside?
Nothing. I put it back. I only had cash. I only had $6.
So there's nothing in that car that was from Kohl's. Because we're going to check. Just to let you know.
It's not my car, so you couldn't search the car.
Okay. There's nothing in that car from Kohl's. You can look at each other all you want. We're going to figure it out, and we see that we have the cameras. So I'd rather have you be honest with me so I can make this process easier, and we can get this over with, all right? So you gotta do what you got to do. But once we do find out, then we're going to make sure that I'm going to take this investigation to the fullest of its extent. It's all good. No.
No,
It's all good.
no. You want to?
Y'all can look at each other. It's fine. We're gonna. I'll figure it out for myself.
No,
I don't
I'm
want to.
asking you. Do you want to?
I didn't walk out nothing. Whatever. It's in the car.
Okay, that's fine.
Mom said.
That's fine. That's fine.
That's what I'm
I'm just
telling you.
gonna. I'm
If
gonna
you
go ahead with the. I'm gonna go talk to Kohl's. I'm gonna watch the video again because I already saw half of it. But I'm gonna watch it again and then we'll figure it
I'm not
out.
gonna lie to you, officer. You might just.
I just want to tell him. That's what I'm telling you.
What do you want to tell me?
This in the car.
What's in the car?
Stuff back.
It's cause it's the stuff she took. I didn't take nothing. I didn't walk out with nothing or nothing.
What'd you take?
Just.
A lot? Is it a lot of stuff in that car?
I didn't have it.
I didn't see you walk out. I pulled up later. But
Your partner there. Weren't you the one who put up on the site?
I saw you walking through here.
Yeah, I had to put back. You can check those nothing. I didn't walk out with nothing.
How do we pronounce your first name?
Milagros?
Milagros? Okay. So remember when I said they have amazing cameras? Okay, you're on camera leaving. With the bag, okay? Is that the bag in the passenger seat over there? In the back seat?
Be honest with him like you just told me.
I'm gonna grab that, okay? No, I didn't say you. I'm gonna grab it, okay?
Something just happened. We were in Kohl, and I looked.
Is there anything else in the car that we're gonna see?
No, but not that I'm aware of.
You said what? Okay.
I'm probation, see.
I know, but then I have a son. I didn't walk out with nothing.
They're gonna violate me. Then that's another thing.
I know, but friend, I'm on parole. I didn't even. I have my son. My son's birthday's in 2 months. I have my sibling's anniversary next month.
Can you just repeat the...
So what happens if I'm on probation in a different county?
Probationary officer.
That's 2 probation, that's 2 violations, that's just there. They're not gonna keep letting me out. That's the
And
thing.
it depends what the amount is. So there's a certain amount.
Yo, friend, I'm on parole, friend. I literally get off in September. I'm on papers. I'm on 2 days to join. I'm not gonna see my son turn 1 nothing, friend. Come on, you know this is like this, and you know what I'm saying.
And I gotta sit 2 years. That's gonna be a little different. It's a different county. They have to go to
but you're on probation.
They're not gonna release me.
I don't know. I'm not sure how much you took. It was a lot, though. It was bad.
So what usually happens if you're on probation and they come?
So everybody has a different case.
I was just gonna say they're gonna reinstate your probation.
But sit 2 years, Mark, remind me, this is secondary probation. That means I gotta sit 2 years after.
Friend, I'm on parole. That's serious, friend. It's something I
But it doesn't matter what you guys, who wants to take charge and who doesn't. We're gonna watch the cameras, and if both of you guys did it, both of you guys come in. One of you guys did it, one of you guys comes in. It don't matter what y'all. I mean, whatever y'all discussing right now, it don't really matter.
It's because
We're gonna see
I was in the store with her, but I wasn't like filling her up.
We're gonna watch the cameras, and then we're gonna see what happens.
My mom still had Jay going.
Hey, teacher, I have one more.
Y'all gotta think about this, like, before coming over here and doing it. Especially over here, like, this is probably the worst spot to come around and do something.
That contradiction sits at the center of this case because everything here turns on one legal line. When does a stop become an arrest? For roughly the first 10 minutes, the officer questions both suspects without ever reading Miranda rights. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, that is legally permitted, because routine investigative questioning during a stop is not automatically custody. The test is whether a reasonable person would feel free to leave, not whether the officer already suspects wrongdoing.
It's because we didn't like.
Can I talk to you again one more time over here?
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Okay, let's go further over here, okay? Okay, so whose car is it? Because remember when I asked
My
you?
mom.
Okay, so why is he saying it's his car?
His car. He didn't say it was his
Yeah,
car.
he said it was his car.
No, it's her car. I'm on the phone with her.
Okay, so, but do you remember that's why he said it's his car and that's how he knows the door handle's broke?
No, I didn't hear none of that. You didn't tell me none of that.
We were all right here.
Mark saying that it's his car.
Okay, so it's your car. You just
It's her
don't drive
car.
it, okay? You mind if we search the car?
Driver said we searched the car.
Your mom said no.
But they already found the makeup.
That's her car.
Okay, so you're saying it's your car, but you're saying it's his car and it's his
No,
mom.
I said it was his mom's.
Okay, so you're saying, what was your story with the merchandise and how you left everything?
It was in the store.
Okay, but it's not in the store, right?
No.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Give me your phone. And then let's put your hands behind your back, okay?
Mom. Can you flip it off?
No, because you're technically in custody, so I'm hanging it up once we're done with this.
How am I in custody?
Because you're going to jail. You're under arrest. You're on video, bro. I wasn't kidding when I said they have 5K videos, okay? So I'm hanging it up and we're putting on an airplane mode as well, okay?
No, just shut it off because my phone's gonna die. That's
Okay.
what I'm just
Well,
asking you to do. So I'm the only one being arrested.
So when the male suspect first says, quote, "I didn't take nothing," that statement is fully usable in court. There was no custody yet, which means no Miranda requirement yet, and no Fifth Amendment problem in obtaining it. The officer's authority to stop and question these two people in the first place comes from Terry versus Ohio.
I have no idea who's being arrested other than you. I just got here, so I'm not the one that's arresting you. I'm not going to give you the wrong answer.
And at this point, I'm not gonna tell a lie when I'm 2 years signed my life to probation, and you're telling me I'm gonna catch another case and you're getting off in 3 months. You're getting off parole. You could sit in a joint. You could do a program for a month and you'll get out. Compared to me, I gotta sit faithfully 2 years down there, not doing shit. And nobody helps your mom with your brother. Everything comes on me. I do everything to support, help, and do everything. That's why I'm sitting here looking at him like I'm not taking no blame for nothing because you were on camera too. I'm not doing this back and forth shit. I like how every cop wants to be rude to me when I'm being blood honest. And then they let the person that did the most of the work just have his phone, no handcuff. Like, if you're against women, just say that.
I don't think that's what it is.
I feel like it is. I really do, because it's a lot of men, officers that have done that to me, and it's always the other person that gets more freedom and everything. He had his phone most of the time. Most of the time, I even did. I had my phone. I talking to the person that owned the car. He snatched my phone, put it on the floor, say you're detained. That don't make no sense. If I'm detained, he's detained. Because at the end of the day, he walked away from me. I stood and just.
Gotcha. I understand what you're doing.
Okay, Marco, so at this time, turn around, put your hands around your back. You're on video doing it, okay?
A specific shoplifting report paired with the suspect's presence and behavior at the store is enough to establish reasonable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion is a lower legal bar than probable cause. It allows a stop and questions, not yet an arrest. The legal shift happens later, at the exact moment the suspect is placed under arrest and read his rights.
I wasn't messing with you when I said they have best cameras, okay?
That's why I told you I have passenger, but you could see I was
Right, but you said one thing and I counted at least 4 or 5, okay?
No, I'm saying like I had grabbed that one time and just passenger.
Right, but now it's you grabbed one thing and you're on video grabbing 4 or 5, okay?
See, that's how I don't like it. See how he arrested him now? The whole time, this could have been, you arrested both of us. We're both under arrest. Don't do that. That's why I do not like that. That makes
like
no
I said,
sense.
I'm not the one that's
You
arresting
treat
him,
everybody
so.
the same way, even under arrest or not. Tell me not. You treat everybody the same way. You get it. I'm getting handcuffed. He's getting handcuffed. You don't just handcuff me first. Do it all.
Do you have anything on you?
No.
Okay, what's in here?
I'm not gonna lie, officer. I had lost half of my siblings and that anniversaries next month. And,
Okay.
you know, I was. Is there any way, like, it's because I didn't want that one to see.
Right, but you're on video, my man, doing that stuff, okay? Does that make sense? Do you have anything else on you that's gonna post me, hurt me? Gun, drugs?
Officer, I was being honest with you. I had told
You were honest with me after the handcuffs came on, and you said you took one thing, and I counted at least 5.
I meant, like, I grabbed it and like.
Do you want him to take the bag with you? Okay.
Seriously, officer, you
want to go through it one more time?
I was being.
Yeah, but do you remember when I originally started talking to you? You said no, you didn't do anything. You had no idea what I was talking about. I wasn't kidding when I said they have good cameras, man. Okay. And then let me say one thing, right? But when we ask questions, I promise you 9 times out of 10 we know the answer. Okay. It's not to see if you're gonna lie. It's just to see how you're gonna respond.
Partner, I told you I had put just one time. I put some stuff in the bag. I told you that it was just one time. Remember? That's really all I did.
I got you, man. But you're still on video doing it. Okay. And when I asked you, you said no originally, and then right now is when you said I'm gonna be honest. I did one.
Ro, what are you gonna do with the car? They're asking.
If whoever could come get it, could come get it.
Cool. Yeah, you can come here.
Okay, are you cool with him for 1 minute? Why not? Yeah. Did you read her stuff or no?
No.
Okay.
You want me to do it real quick?
I got it. Okay.
You have the right to remain silent and.
Yeah, I gotta read it to you, okay?
Yeah, I already know.
You watch TV shows or what?
Yep, I watched
Okay.
Criminal. What is it? That criminal show?
Criminal
where it's
Minds?
Yeah.
Okay.
At that point, the officer states, quote, "You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say can and will be used against you." Everything spoken after that moment is custodial interrogation, and it is only fully admissible because Miranda was properly given. The officer times this correctly, reading rights right as formal arrest processing begins, not too early and not too late.
You said you didn't know what she was doing.
Huh?
The reason is because you said you didn't know what she was doing. You didn't know she came out with anything. But
what are you guys charging her for?
huh?
What do you guys
You
charging?
did be retail theft too.
Retail theft?
Both of them, we just gotta add up the amounts. I don't know how much it
I
is.
didn't walk out with nothing past the check.
I know, but it's concealing items too.
If I had another case in another county, how does that work?
I don't know yet. I gotta call them. I gotta see what the conviction is. One, you said a year ago? You said a year ago? And hey, how long are you on probation for?
2 years, so I just got on it in March.
All right, man. You know the value of the stuff? Like 4,500.
But they're charging both of us with it.
I'm gonna have to ask him, but that's.
I know, but is there any way you could be like?
The theft charge itself rests on Illinois' Retail Theft Statute, Chapter 720, Section 5, 16-25. That statute does not require a suspect to leave the store with merchandise. Concealment alone can support the charge. So when the suspect admits he, quote, put some stuff in the back, that single sentence satisfies the concealment element. It does not matter that he later put the items back. Intent to conceal, even briefly, is what the statute punishes.
Like, keep it confined this whole time. Like, keep it.
Yeah, I know. I try to tell them, but at the end of the day, it's whatever was on camera, and they're gonna figure it out.
That's why we're gonna be like, look, on camera, it does show him only grabbing the 4 or 5 pieces, He's like, keep it confined. He let us search the car.
I'll ask him what he's gonna do, because it depends. Like the courts might see it that way. It's like, all right, dude, like, we only took a couple items, but a lot of times
but it's really up to like how the officer's gonna write up the report too,
Well, he's gonna write the report how he saw it on camera. That's it. Whatever's on camera is how they're gonna review it.
The estimated value of the merchandise, around $4,500, is also legally significant here. In Illinois, retail theft becomes a felony once merchandise value crosses a statutory threshold or where a prior theft conviction exists. Both elements may apply in this case, the $4,500 figure, and the suspect's own admission that he is on probation.
They're going to read a report, but they're going to watch the camber footage. The state's attorney will read that. They take our camera footage.
I'm just saying about like what they're gonna charge.
I'll ask him right now what he's going to do.
What's up, man?
I understand, I'm getting charged for what I'm charged for, but the only thing I was asking is like the 4 or 5 items that I grabbed. Like I was feeling like if that like is that what I'm being charged for?
Yeah, it's retail theft.
He states he is 2 years into probation, having started only 4 months earlier, in March. That timing means a new theft charge does not just risk a new conviction, it almost certainly triggers a probation violation as well. 2 separate legal consequences, from one act of concealment, now stacking directly on top of each other.
But what's going on?
Oh, I don't know, but it's gonna be everything, okay? It's the intent. So I'm gonna interview when we get there. She said a lot of stuff, okay? Does that make sense? So we're gonna talk in an interview once we get there, okay? Okay, so let's go.
No independent witness or third party, no store security guard, no store manager appears on camera to corroborate the report directly. That absence matters because this case currently rests on suspect statements and camera footage, not on live third-party testimony. Grading the officer, A, B+. The Miranda timing was correct, the tone stayed calm, and the initial stop was properly justified. The one weak point, those 10 pre-arrest minutes edge closer to an arrest than a stop, inviting a possible suppression challenge. Grading the male suspect, a C, he offers multiple shifting accounts before ever having Miranda protection to fall back on. Every inconsistency he gives before that warning remains fully usable evidence against him. Grading the female suspect, a C-. She denies everything despite being told camera footage exists, weakening her credibility going forward. Neither suspect invokes the right to remain silent, even though that right was available the entire time, warning or not. So if police can question you for 10 minutes before ever reading you your rights, how much of that conversation is actually protected? First takeaway, your right to remain silent exists before Miranda is ever read during any police contact, not only after arrest. Second takeaway, in Illinois, concealing merchandise can be a crime even if you never leave the store with it. Third takeaway, if you are on probation, any new charge carries 2 penalties at once, the new case and the violation. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.